Hi friends, welcome back to City of Wonder World. Today we will learn how to install Zorin operating system in VMware and PC. Let's start. First of all, open your VMware. After that, you click here like a create new virtual machine. Then you click on the next. After that, you click here installer. Then click on the browse and select your operating system ISO image. After that, you click on the next. Then it's automatically select the Linux. Then you click on the next. After that, you enter your operating system name. Then you click on the next. After that, you enter here like 60. Then you click on the next and finish. Now you click on the power on this virtual machine. Then you make the enter. Hereupon you click here install Zorin OS. Then you click on the continue and again continue, and finally click on the install now. Then continue, again continue. Then you enter the like username and password. I'm entering username here like Aki and enter your password and click on the continue. This process will take time. I will come back after this process. It's over. After that, you click on restart now. Now you go to up and first of all shut down this machine, because first of all we need to remove the like media device from VMware. After that, you click here CD DVD. Then you click here. After remove this, you just click on the OK. Now you again click here power on this virtual machine. After that, you click here on your username, enter your password and hit the enter. Then you click here like start tutor. Then again next. Okay, click on the next. Yeah, next. These are the features in this operating system. Now you click here and now you click here like a Zorin appearance. These are like a Zorin appearance. You select your favorite appearance, what you need. Just I need like this layout. Just you double click on this and wait. Okay, it's showing like now. If you're going to down, you get more layout here. If you need like that, you double click here. Now you go to themes. Here is like a different theme. Next is the interface. You make settings according to you, which interface you like. Okay, after that we go to desktop. Here is the like a icons. If you want show on your desktop, you just click here. It's appear on your desktop. If you want to hide, you just click here. Thanks for watching this video.